Poppy seed dressing is one of my absolute favorites. I made it by just putting the ingredients in a jar and shaking it up. Works just fine. Today, we're going to use my mixer. I've used my Vitamix, I've used my whisk. In this bowl, I've got half a cup of white vinegar, 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar, a teaspoon of ground mustard, and 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise has got 105 milligrams of sodium, and when it gets done, we're going to stir in a tablespoon of poppy seeds for 2 milligrams of sodium. The whole recipe is going to have 107 milligrams of sodium, and we're going to have quite a bit of dressing. So I'm going to turn the mixer on high and just stream the oil into it. And then when it gets in here, all mixed up nice, I'm going to stir in the poppy seeds. We're going to have a lot of good salad dressing. See. It's going to be perfect. 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Stir it up. You don't have to add the mayonnaise if you don't want to. I just like it. I think it just adds quite a bit to it. Then get a little lettuce. Check it out. You might want to add a little more poppy seeds. Maybe oops. I think I'll add about a teaspoon more of the poppy seeds. Our dressing is looking good. We got almost 2 cups. Almost 2 cups of really good poppy seed dressings for 107 milligrams of sodium. we have got 2 cups of salad dressing. And with the extra 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, our dressing has less than 4 milligrams of sodium per tablespoon. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday, there'll be a brand new low sodium video for you.